YouTube, chat, whatever y'all call yourselves. I'm gonna just call y'all the guys. What's up? Back with another video. I'm actually really excited about this one. New clipper, you feel me? Like I say in every video. Package in the box today, we got the Kenny Duncan Andis Envy 2. Let's go. Let's go. This box even look nice. It comes with 2 clipper guards, a charging stand, ceramic master taper blade, and it says it has a rotary motor. It's a nice box, man. This is really dope. Tells you about the blade on this side. You can switch the leverage positions. You can switch it to right or left. That's dope. It got Kenny Duncan on the back. If you're a barber, you most likely know who Kenny Duncan is. I feel like he's been around since before most people were in barber school. I feel like he's been around since before a lot of people were in barber school. Everybody know I love red, so the black and red is dope. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a really dope time for barbers. You got the 360 Jeezy clipper dropping. You got the Babyliss Tomb 45 joint. I feel like nobody's really talking about this clipper, and I do feel like it is a nice clipper. This is my first Andis product I've bought in a minute. I haven't used the Andis clipper in a while. You know, you got the white box inside. That's like your signature now. MV2 cordless. Let's go. It has instructions on how to remove the clicking. I believe there's clicking. And it has information on how to switch the lever. So this is bracket on every MV2 makes it to where you can use the regular blade or you can switch to a master blade, which is really dope. Okay. So it comes with a left hand lever if you want to move the lever to the other side. It has a dock. The dock has the red Andis on it, if you can see that. Now this clipper, it is a plastic finish on the front. Feels a little more like metal or something on the back. It's got a nice grip to it. This is the clipper. It does have the master blade on it, the black master blade. The one thing about this clipper, I feel like it opens up a little bit, but not too much. Oh no, this one seems like it opens up a little bit more than normal. That's nice. Ceramic cutting blade, as you can see. Charging port on the bottom. There's a back. It feels pretty good in hand. Not too bad at all. Not much grip, but I'll probably put a gripper on it. But no, it seems like a nice clipper for sure. Really nice clipper. I feel like it's easy to leave fingerprints on this black blade. I do hear a lot of the black master blades start to peel. I hear they start to, the paint starts to come off. So we'll see over time. Oh, okay. Underneath all this, we got 2 red double magnet guards. We got a 1.5 and we got a half. Pretty nice guards. We got the cord, of course, for the dot. Oil. Kenny Duncan does have a booklet in there. 10,000 hours. He got some quotes on there, some dope quotes. Tells you a little bit about the clipper. Artwork by Chuck Styles. Be great on purpose. It's got some of his work in here. This is really dope. And it's cool to see somebody who's been around a long time get their flowers. Especially in this industry, I feel like a lot of barbers don't get their flowers enough. On the clipper, it has writing, 10,000 hours, 20 years, 1 inch, 1.5 inch. Be great on purpose. Kenny Duncan signature. Main attraction 2005. Walnut. I have no idea what that means. This is really dope. A lot of detail went into that design. So I'm gonna charge it up and see what we think. But that is the first unboxing. Of all the influencer clippers that I've seen so far, that is my first unboxing. I'm working to get a couple of the other ones. We'll see what happens. But yeah, like, subscribe. Let me know if you want to know anything about this clipper. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.